Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And today we're going to be talking about Code 11 on a Rheem Tankless Water Heater. Watch this video to the end to find out what Code 11 means, its causes, and how to fix it. A Code 11 on a Rheem Tankless Water Heater could mean that your water heater is experiencing an ignition failure. Some common causes that could lead to your water heater showing a Code 11. Gas supply. Code 11 could mean your water heater has limited or no gas supply. Igniter. A spoiled or broken igniter could cause an error Code 11. Check to see if you're getting any spark from the igniter. Flame rod. Worn out or clogged flame rods could result to a Code 11. Now let's look at the best solutions to fixing a Code 11 on a Rheem Tankless Water Heater. Check the gas supply to the heater. A problem with gas supply could mean that there's a leak or you have run out of gas. To fix this, you need to switch off the water heater from its power supply. Inspect the gas supply system for any leaks. If there are leaks, fix them by tightening loose components or replacing damaged parts. Take out your tank to see if it has gas. If it has no gas, take the tank to your nearest local gas station to have it filled. Replace the filled tank and turn on your water heater. Inspect the igniter for damages. Over time, the igniter becomes susceptible to clogging and as wear and tear. How to clean a clogged igniter. Turn off your water heater and also switch off the circuit breaker. Take out the front cover of the water heater. Clean out any buildup on the igniter using sandpaper. Do this gently to avoid further damaging the igniter or moving it from its position. If the igniter is damaged from wear and tear, find a replacement. We recommend you find a professional technician to do this if you're not so hands-on. Inspect the flame rod. If the problem is a clogged flame rod, you should clean it up. Here's how to do it. Turn off your water heater from the main power supply. Open the front water heater cover. Find the dirty flame rod. Clean it up gently with sandpaper. Place back the cover of your water heater. Turn on your power supply. If the flame rod is damaged or broken, replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching.